Introducing the Volt Pro Nano-Junction Direct Burial Connector, a new way to make quick and secure low-voltage three-way connections. The Nano-Junction is used to connect up to 2 fixtures with a main line, or can be used to connect one main line to another for a T-junction. This video will show how installing the Nano-Junction is easy, fast, and secure. Start by running your fixture cables to a single location. Be sure to label each cable in case you need to service the system later. Also, run a cable directly from the transformer or from another hub connection. We call this the main line. Take each cable and split the cable leads about 6 inches apart. Prepare each cable lead by trimming down to about a ½ inch of exposed wire. Twist the end to bring the strands together. Prepare the Pro Nano-Junction by pulling up the orange clips. Each cable has a pair of 2 cable leads. Insert one lead from each pair into the first connector. Check that each wire end is twisted and that all strands are together. Insert the wire fully into the connector, then close the orange clamp. Tug on the wire to ensure the connection is good. Continue this process until all cable pairs are connected. Repeat the process with the second Pro Nano-Junction and the remaining cable leads. At this point, we recommend that you test your connections by turning on the transformer and checking to see if the fixture lights come on. Now that you are confident in your connections, start with the first connector and remove the cover from the silicone compartment. Close the compartment until the lid snaps in place. Some of the silicone will squeeze out of the connector. This is normal. Wipe away the excess with a clean cloth. The Pro Nano-Junctions are now ready for direct burial. The connections will be secure and corrosion-free for years to come.